Welcome back to Product Critique, where we delve deep into the world of tech to bring you honest and insightful reviews. Today, we have something truly special on the table: the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack PC case. Let's dive in. Assembling a PC case? That's right. Cooler Master has taken DIY to a whole new level with the Qube 500 Flatpack. Now, I know what you're thinking. Building a PC is one thing, but building the case itself? Let me tell you, it's an experience like no other. The Qube 500 comes with a variety of vibrant color plates and attachments, allowing you to personalize your build like never before. From sleek and modern to bold and expressive, the choice is yours. But it's not just about looks. This case is packed with features. With great ventilation thanks to its open sides and multiple fan mounts, your components will stay cool even under heavy loads. Inside, you'll find a well-designed layout that accommodates both 3.5-inch and 2.5-inch drives, ensuring efficient use of space in this compact case. Assembly is straightforward, thanks to the included installation guide and YouTube tutorial. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a newcomer to PC building, you'll find the process enjoyable and rewarding. Once assembled, the Qube 500 stands out as a testament to Cooler Master's innovative approach to PC case design. It's not just a case, it's a statement. In conclusion, if you're looking for a great DIY project that offers both style and functionality, look no further than the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. It's a game changer in the world of PC building,